my name is Linda Bell. I'm here today because I have a lot of knee pain, knee problem. I've had total knee and replacement in one, and now I'm having trouble with my other one. A lot of pain, trouble getting up and down and walking and whatever. Learning about the stem cells and how it helps and what it can do for you if you're eligible for it, you know. No, it was great. He did great. He explained it to them very well, and we understood him very well. I mean, he did a great job doing that. I think they should try to find out more about it and learn about it and see if it'll help them. And I do have a friend with a lot of trouble too that I'm going to get a hold of and tell her about what I've learned today. She has bad knees too. Maybe you can help her.